you put into words what you're looking for, even though you don't know what it is? I know it's a
I'm.
evil question on
What
my
am I
part.
looking for? I'm trying to get lost in the music, and
Ah,
I'm not connecting with it as well as I was at home. I don't know why. Um, and right here, I have a problem because this is so pretty. And these, I feel so self conscious of these. Yeah,
that's
does that make
interesting.
sense?
Yeah,
Yeah, I
it
mean, not
really
that I
does.
feel like I'm not, I
Gotta
don't like
give
the
a
way they
tad.
sound, and I'm just so, too conscious of it. Da 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 da. And it's,
So,
and I can play it sometimes, and I like the way I play it, but not right now. And I didn't like it this morning either.
well, let's deal with that specific issue
Okay.
first. If you're very conscious of it, then I'm going to take you at your word that the solution is for you not to be conscious of what the left hand is doing. So why don't you focus on the right hand and
Okay.
see if the left hand can be moving without your being aware of it. It's just a hunch.
Now, be conscious of it without the left hand moving, like the left hand is.
Just be conscious of the right hand. It's just some automatic response happening in your left hand that you're not aware of.
No, not right.
But that seems like it's closer to what you might want.